Hello everyone and welcome to More to Explore. I'm Miss Natasha and today we will be making a Go Fish card deck. So here's what I've made, and you can use these for Go Fish, you can use these for a memory match game. There's lots of fun to be had with these. Alright everyone, so in your kit you will find 2 Sea Life reference sheets. You will find 5 sheets of blue construction paper, and you will find 5 sheets of white paper. What's not in your kit, but you will still need, are colored pencils, scissors, and kid scissors works just fine. These are just the ones I have, and a glue stick. So go ahead and grab these. These are usually found in most people's homes. Okay, the first step is to take 1 sheet of your blue construction paper, and we are going to fold that over hot dog style, and then we're going to fold it over hamburger style, and then we're going to fold it over again hamburger style, and when you open up, you will see these creases, which are your guides when you're cutting these. So I'll show you. These serve as your background on your cards. Now go ahead, take your scissors and cut along the lines, the creases you just created. So if we count for 1 sheet, we're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 cards, and I gave you 5 sheets of blue construction paper as well as the white paper. So that's 8 times 5. That's 40 cards. That is enough for a very good deck for Go Fish or a memory match game. So now we are going to take our white sheet of paper and we are going to do the exact same thing. We're going to fold it over hot dog style, and then hamburger, and then hamburger. So perfect. Again, go ahead and cut these out. Follow the creases with your scissors. Friends, so the next part we'll be drawing on our white sheets of paper. So as you can see, I have the dolphin, the crab, and the sea turtles. That's what I started with. So I'll show you how we're going to do that. You're going to take your Sea Life reference sheet, and what you're going to do is you're going to lay it over. If you want to freehand, you are more than welcome. That means just freehanding the drawing, not tracing. But if you would like to trace it, it actually works beautifully. These are a lot of dark colors, and when you put it over, you can actually trace the animal you want. So I think I'm going to use the eel, but you can use whatever you want, the coral, the whale. So it does work pretty nicely. So we're going to take our colored pencils. And remember, you've got to do 2 because they got to match for Go Fish and they've got to match for your memory card game. So you got to do 2 of each animal that you want. So I'm going to do 2 eels because I like eels. And then you can do 2 of whatever you would like. So go ahead and do that for your first 2 cards. as you see, I based it off of that eel, and I have my eel now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a second one just like him. So I don't really need this reference sheet anymore. I just need my eel. So I'm going to make one exactly like him. Remember, you need two exactly the same. So try your best, make a second one, okay? Alright everyone, once you're done with your two matching animals, you're going to go ahead and you're going to take your glue stick and you're going to glue each one on the back of one of the blue construction papers. So just like that, and you're going to go ahead and glue your matching animals. So go ahead and do that. Alright, I have my two matching eel cards. So I can add them to my collection. And what you want to do is you want to make all 40, okay? That way when you shuffle, you can play Go Fish with two people. And you'll have enough cards and you'll have a full deck. So then when you ask, do you have a crab? And they do have a crab, they'll have to give you the crab, right? Or if you want to do a memory matching game, you shuffle them also, and you lay them down. And you try to figure out where everything is. So you know this is the sea turtle. Okay, you know that's the crab. You know that's the dolphin. So dolphin, dolphin. Okay, do you remember where the crab was? And then you know what that one is, eel. Eel, and then these are the sea turtles. Memory matching, just like the Go Fish game, the more cards you have, the better. So the more animals you make, the better, and the more people you can play with. So memory matching is a lot more fun when you have more than one person. That way you each take turns flipping a card and then grabbing the two that you found. So if I found the two cards, it would go to me. If you had found the matching dolphins, it would go to you, and so on and so forth. So have fun making all of your sea animal cards. If for some reason you do not want to draw, I have printed two of these out, so you could technically just cut two of these, say, seagulls, and then tape it to two cards. So tape it onto white sheet, and then glue it to the back of the blue. So if you don't feel like drawing, you could just cut out the two animals on each of these C reference sheets. So it's entirely up to you. I prefer drawing, but if you just want to make your deck real quick, that's the best way to do it. So that won't take too much time at all. All right, everyone, enjoy making your Go Fish deck and playing a memory matching game with your sea animals. Did you know baby seahorses are the size of a jelly bean? And electric eels can release powerful electric charges of up to 650 volts. That's more than 5 times the power of a standard United States wall socket.